Hello fellow YouTubers. Now I guess everybody should be able to recognise one of these. I'm back. Here's a little teardown this time for you. You notice I've already taken the liberty of taking the cover off it to expose all the goodies inside. This is a Hella brand microwave. And now there's one thing that I don't particularly like about the design of it. You can see in there how easy it is to actually come in contact with the capacitor. But unlike plenty of others I've seen in videos, they just use ordinary screwdrivers. These are professional electrical screwdrivers. Just discharge the cap, or make sure it's discharged. And I didn't quite need you up here either. Must be doing well, even the cat's getting interested. And the other thing to notice, the plug is out, right where I can see it, visible gap. As always with any project I do, the first thing to be taken out is of course the power cord. That plug. Sticky little bastard, are you? Gone. The transformer itself, get rid of the little transformer from under it. The transformer itself, as any regular viewers would know, is something I'm after. And any time you take a transformer out of these, it's ideal to keep one screw. That way you've got something to earth against. Using some tight connections in this one. That's one wire I will be cutting. A little filament heater. Don't need it. You don't want to come out that way, you'll come out this way. Get the little thermal out of there. Oh, that can come too. Another one to be zapped. Very small control board on this thing. Doesn't matter. Broke a wire. Wow. Don't want that bit anymore. Actually, I do want the board out of it. For one thing. And again, my regulars would probably know what that one thing would be. Turning one thing from kitchen appliance to old Sparky. That was a little bit stuck down in there. Smaller than the old ones I had. The capacitor's only rated for 2100 volts, not 2500. Some people are interested in the magnetrons to get the magnets out of them. Not always the best plan of attack. For the simple reason the magnetron in the ceramic in the magnetron, it's got beryllium. Beryllium is a fair few chemists know. Ain't the sort of thing you want to be playing around with. It's quite toxic. that's the end of that. Apart from the 2 micro switches in there, which I'm not keeping there. Actually, there's 3 in there. Little bastard bit me. Oh well. You get that? At least the high voltage didn't bite. People that play around with these things that don't know what they're doing, they're just asking for trouble. Because these things aren't forgiving. Now, the new lead. Yeah. I'm leaking. Leaking everywhere. Oh well. Shit happens. The all-important earth wire. More leaking. Might need to change my chicken stick lead yet. One thing I will do is I'll cut these out of the way. Don't need them. They're gone. Another leak. Oh, let's change the chicken stick leads. I'll be back. Well, here I am. I'm back. Had to change a couple of leads on the power cord. I decided against the resonance circuit, and that is a way of going from a kitchen appliance to a very nice handy little circuit zapper. Like that. There you have it, folks. I must say one thing. Thanks again for watching.